everyone, this is MJ. I'm so excited you've joined me for my countdown to Christmas featuring MJ's Merry Minis. I've designed 25 Christmas ornaments and each one will release from December 1st through to December 25th, and you'll be able to find the pattern for free on my blog on the ornaments release day. Now I'm hosting a crochet along over in my Facebook community group, and the link will be in the description box if you want to join in and post your pictures. If you'd rather not wait for all 25 ornaments to release, I've decided to put together a beautifully designed ebook featuring all 25 crochet ornaments. You can purchase the ebook through the link in my description box. Hey, this is MJ, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this cute and quick little star ornament. So I'm using worsted weight yarn. This is Wool of the Andes worsted weight in white. You'll need a bead, some twine, scissors, yarn needle, and I'm using a 4mm G-size crochet hook. And this is a Furls Streamline wood hook, and I'll have links in the description box on where you can purchase these items. So we're going to begin with a magic ring, and we'll just loosely wrap the yarn around our index finger 3 times. Take your hook, slide it through all loops, grabbing the 3rd loop and pull it through and chain 1. Now we'll work a total of 10 single crochet in the ring. Now we'll pull the ring tight. So let's just move all of our work out of the way. You're going to take your tail and start to pull. You're going to see only one of our loops is going to pull in. Now to grab that loop that's pulled, pull it, and it will pull the other loop for you. And then just grab your tail and then it will pull the other loop. Now we'll slip stitch to join. Just make sure not to grab any loops that you shouldn't be. Okay. Now what we're going to do is chain 1, work a single crochet in the first stitch, and in the next stitch we'll work a single crochet, chain 3, and a single crochet in the next, and then in the next we do a single, chain 3, and a single in the same stitch. So now just repeat that all the way around. Single, and in the next a single, chain 3, and a single. Okay, so once you've worked all the way around, we'll slip stitch into our first stitch to join. Chain 1, we'll work a single crochet. We'll slip stitch into that first stitch. Then we'll work a single crochet into the chain 3. We'll chain 3 and single crochet. Then we will slip stitch, skip that stitch, slip stitch in the next. And then in the chain 3 space, we'll work a single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. Skip the next stitch, slip stitch in the next. Okay, single crochet in the chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet, and repeat that around. Okay, so we're going to finish with slip stitching in our first slip stitch to join, chain 1 and a slip stitch in the first stitch, and then we'll work 3 single crochet in the chain 3 space, chain 3, and 3 single crochet. Then we will slip stitch. Let me find it here. In the slip stitch from our previous round. And then in our chain 3 space, we'll work 3 single, chain 3, and then 3 singles. And then we'll slip stitch in our slip stitch from our previous round. And in the chain 3 space, we'll do 3 singles, chain 3, and 3 singles. Okay, so this is how it's looking, and you're just repeating that pattern now all the way around. Okay, so we're finishing with a slip stitch to join in the first slip stitch. Already fastened that off a little bit short. Okay, and then this is your cute little finished star ornament, and we'll just weave in those tails. We're just weaving one way and back in the opposite direction for all those tails, and then you can just trim them. And now you can just pick one of your stars. We're going to hang it from the top of a star, one of the points. So you can take some twine or thread or string, really whatever you want. I'm just going with this rustic theme for my ornaments, so I'm using twine for most of them. So use your yarn needle, and we're just going to go through. Now I like to knot it before I thread the bead on, and then you can thread the bead right over the knot, and it just kind of helps to hold it in place. Okay, so you can finger block this, or you can wet it and pin it out just to get your star looking, the shape looking really nice. Depending on what yarn you use, it could come out a little smushy, so blocking it will just give it that perfect shape. And there is your little finished ornament. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and tap that bell to stay updated on all my new videos and tutorials. Thanks so much, guys. Have an awesome day.